Hello Mother Bells! We're going to have the unboxing of phanpy. It's color green. Phanpy double electric breast pump. Okay. So we have, let's go through it one by one. So we have the phanpy bottles. It is 7 ounce. I have no nipples included or bottle cover. This is the flange, so it says here lock going this way, so we better open it this way. There is a slip-on. So we have the diaphragm. Phanpy's diaphragm is unique. The cover, you can actually just have it like that. It's actually 2 parts. So let's put the diaphragm back and let's twist it back there. Okay. So that's how the flange looks like. Then there's already a valve. There are 2, so because it's double pumping, and then there's a spare valve inside the box. And then the flanges, I've tried putting this to my medulla harmony, but it does not fit. So it only fits for phanpy connector there. This is not actually circle, it's oval. You can see there. You can actually twist it to it vertical. The oval would be vertical, or you want it to be horizontal. And then I've watched a review wherein she has bigger breasts. So what works for her based on her experience is have the oval in vertical than in a horizontal position. So you can move it 360, whichever you want. Okay, so this is 28, and the other flange is 24. 24. Oh. And then our power connector, our extra duckbill valves, and then our tubings. So we have this tubing, shorter side, then the longer side. The longer part goes to the motor, then the 2 here goes to the connector. There. So I've tried using this to the motor of my Spectra, or the motor. This is the one that goes to the motor. It does not fit. I only have Spectra. Oh, my baby bow, it also does not fit. And then for this part here, the shorter sides, you can use other breast kits with your phanpy motor. You will just need to remove the connector and then connect this to the backflow protector of minimum or spectra if you're using those breast kits. So if you want it to be single, you will just attach one of the short tubes here, so you will only have single pumping. So let's try to connect this to the motor. So this is phanpy. I am not using its official tubing. I am using my own tubing. So yan, connected. There. Connected. So let's turn this on. Hold. There. So it has a backlight. So if you're pumping at night, you can see the level, the time, and its battery. This is the massage mode. It starts at the massage mode, and after 2 minutes it will automatically go to expression mode. So this is level 1 of massage mode. So its suction is unique. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1 long. The 5th one is a long one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, then a long one, the 5th one. So let's go to level 10. There. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's put it back to level 1, then go to expression mode, and that's already level 1. And then we go to the level 10. So that's level 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So to pause, you can actually pause or go back to expression mode. You can pause it by clicking once the power button. Time also stops, and then you can click the power button again to continue the pumping. So once you're done, you just hold to turn it off. Okay.